Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at your home. Students, in the previous class I explained you some properties of rational number. Property of 0, property of 1, additive, inverse or negative of a rational number, then reciprocal of a rational number, distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Students, today questions which I will explain you are based on this property, distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. So first let us revise this property once again. What is the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction? Let a upon b, c upon d and e upon f are any three rational numbers, then a upon b multiplied by within bracket c upon d plus e upon f is equal. First we will multiply this a upon b by c upon d, a upon b multiplied by c upon d, then this plus sign, then this a upon b will be multiplied by e upon f. This is the multiplication property of distributive property of multiplication over addition, because here sign is of addition. Now if there is subtraction sign like this, a upon b multiplied by c upon d minus e upon f equal, again first we will multiply a upon b by c upon d here, then this subtraction sign, then a upon b multiplied by this e upon f. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Today we will use this property. So let us start our question number 5 of exercise 1b. See here, question number 5 is simplify the following using distributive property of rational numbers. Students, here there are 6 parts A, B, C, D, E and F. I will explain 3 parts A, then D and F. Remaining 3 parts B, C, E you will solve self. So I have copied this question in my register. As I told you, this register works as a blackboard. Nowadays this is our blackboard. So question number 5 is simplify the following using distributive property of rational number. A part is 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 equal. Students, we can write this given question as 2 upon 5 as it is, then multiply sign. Then first we will write this 1 upon 4. This is positive sign. So we can write it. We can solve it as it is also. But here I am writing it like this. It will be easy for you. So 2 upon 5 multiply this 1 upon 4. Then this minus 3 upon 4. Now it is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So using distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, this is the multiplicative, this is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Below this we will write the question in the same form. Here left hand side is a upon b into c upon d minus e upon f. We will write below this a upon b 2 upon 5 multiply c upon d is 1 upon 4 minus e upon f is 3 upon 4. Then this is equal to this, means a upon b multiplied by this c upon d, then this minus a upon b multiplied by this e upon f. So in the same way we will solve a upon b. In place of a upon b it is 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 then multiply by c upon d. C upon d is 1 upon 4. So this 2 upon 5 multiply this 1 upon 4. Then this minus sign. Again a upon b multiply by e upon f. So a upon b 2 upon 5 multiply by e upon f. E upon f 3 upon 4. 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 4. Here first we will observe that any simplification is possible or not. Yes, we can simplify here. This 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So we will simplify it. Again here we can simplify. See, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 1 1 ja 1 upon 5 2 ja 10. Then this minus 3 1 ja 3 upon 5 2 ja 10. Now see students, here both the denominators are same. No need to find the LCM. We can simplify it 1 minus 3 as we do generally. Students, always remember, if denominators are same, no need to find LCM. We will simplify only numerators. How? It is 1, it is minus, then it is 3. So if we simplify this 1 minus 3, we get minus 2. So we will write minus 2 upon this 10. We will write this 10. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. So answer is minus 1 upon 5. Come to its D part. D question is 3 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 multiply 5 upon 4. Using distributive property of multiplication over subtraction or addition. Addition, because here this sign is plus. So it is over addition. First we will write the property. According the property, now we will write this property from this side. See here. We will write from this side property. A upon b multiply c upon d plus a upon b multiply e upon f is equal a upon b into c upon d plus e upon f. Now our question is 3 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 multiply 5 upon 4. So students, see here in this bracket and in this bracket, which rational number is same? 3 upon 4, 3 upon 4. This rational number is same. So we will take it as a upon b. In place of a upon b, we will write 3 upon 4. Then this bracket c upon d is equal 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 plus e upon f. E upon f is 5 upon 4. So we will write here 5 upon 4. Now this 3 upon 4. See, again both the denominator are same. Both the denominators are same. So we will solve it as 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 means 6. So 3 upon 4 into 6 upon 4. Now we will simplify it 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 4. 3 upon 4 multiply 6 upon 4. Here simplification is possible. See, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Now this 3 upon 4 into this 3 upon 2. So 3 3 ja 9 upon 4 2 ja 8. I think it is clear to you. Now come to next part. Its next part is F part. In F part, see, 9 upon 13. What is the question? 9 upon 13 into 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 into 9 upon 13. Here, what is the sign between these two brackets? It is minus sign. So, we will write using distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Now, first we will write the property. According to this property, a upon b into c upon d within bracket minus a upon b multiply e upon f within bracket. Then see, it will be equal a upon b. Which rational number is same? A upon b. So a upon b into c upon d minus e upon f. Students, see, the rational number which is same in both the bracket, we write that rational number out of the bracket. It is called as take out common. What we say? Take out common. So now question is 9 upon 13 into 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 into 9 upon 13. Students, see here. Here value of a upon b is 9 upon 13 and here 1 upon 5 according to this 1 upon 5. So both the values cannot be different. We will take it as, consider as 9 upon 13 into 2 upon 5 minus, we will write this 9 upon 13 here, then multiply 1 upon 5. Students, pay attention, in these two brackets this a upon b both are same. So we have written it out of the bracket. In the same way, here in these two brackets, which rational number is same? 9 upon 13 and 9 upon 13. So this value will be for a upon b, or we will write it out of the bracket, or we say take out common 9 upon 13. 9 upon 13 is taken out as common. So we will write here 9 upon 13 into, then from the first bracket what is left in place of c upon d? 2 upon 5. We will write here 2 upon 5, then this minus, and in second bracket what is left in place of e upon f? It is left 1 upon 5. So we will write here minus 1 upon 5. Again this 9 upon 13 into, see here again both the denominators are same. So we will simplify it, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Simply as small kids do as 2 minus 1 is equal 1. So 9 upon 13 into 2 minus 1 is equal 1 upon this 5. So 9 1 ja 9 upon 13 5 ja 65. So students, I explained here 3 parts. Remaining 3 parts means 5th B, C and E. 5th B, C and E do self. Clear? Now come to question number 6. In question number 6, verify the following calculations. Students, there are again 4 questions, A, B, C, D part. I will explain you part 6A and 6B. Remaining C and D you will do self. So 6th A is 4 upon minus 5 multiply 8 upon 11 minus 7 upon 13 equal 4 upon minus 5 into 8 upon 11 minus 4 upon minus 5 into 7 upon 13. Here both the sides are given. We have to verify the result. So we will simplify both the sides individually, separately. First we will take this left hand side. What is the left hand side? In left hand side is 4 upon 5 multiply 8 upon 11 minus 7 upon 13. So first here we will solve this bracket. 4 upon minus 5 will be written as it is, multiply. Now here both the denominators are different. First we will find the LCM of this 11 and 13. You know how we find the LCM? Or we can say that 11 and 13 both are prime numbers. 11 and 13 both are prime numbers. So LCM of prime number is equal to their multiplication. We will multiply 11 and 13, then we will get the LCM. So 11 multiply 13, we get 143. Now we will divide this LCM 143 by this 11. When we divide this 143 by 11, see here, I am telling you, when we divide 143 by 11, we get 11 1 ja 11, 3, then 3, 11 3 ja 33. We get 13. then this 13 multiply by this 8 minus, in the same way we will divide this 143 by 13 like this. 13 1 ja 13, again one remainder, 13 1 ja 13. So 11 multiply 7. Now 4 upon minus 5 multiply 13 8 ja 104 minus 11 7 ja 77 upon 143. Now this 4 upon minus 5 multiply 104 minus 77. When we subtract this 77 from 104, we get 143. Then 4 into here, no simplification is possible, so we will multiply. When we multiply this 4 and 27, we get 108, and when we multiply this minus 5 into by 143, we get minus 715. So we can write this minus 108 upon 715. This is left hand side. Now we will solve in the same way right hand side. In right hand side, 4 upon minus 5 into 8 upon 11 minus 4 upon minus 5 into 7 upon 13. Simplification is not possible here, neither here nor here. So we will multiply 4 8 ja 32 upon 11 5 ja 55 minus 55, because here minus 5 into 11 minus 55, then minus again 4 7 ja 28 upon minus 5 into 13 minus 65. Now when there is denominator, when there is minus sign in denominator, we take it into numerator. It will become minus 32 upon 55. Then this minus, it will become minus 28 upon 65. Now minus 32, out of this bracket minus sign, so we will change this sign. It will become plus 28 upon 65. Now we will find the LCM of 55 and 65. Here we have done 55 and 65. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, then 5 1 ja 5, one remainder, 5 3 ja 15. 11 1 ja 11, 13 will be as it is. Now by 13, 1 will be as it is, and 13 1 ja 13. Now LCM will be 5 into 11 into 13, it will be 715. So LCM is 715. Now we will divide this 715 by 55. We get 13. Now this 13 multiply by this 32 minus 32 into 13. Now this plus, again divide this 715 by this 65. So 715 by this 65, when we divide, we get 11. So this 28 multiply by 11. Now multiply these two number, we get minus 416, plus multiply these two number, we get 308 upon 715. Simplify this minus 416 plus 308. When two numbers are with negative sign, we subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So we get minus 108 upon 715 in right hand side, and in left hand side also minus 108 upon 715. Both left hand side and right hand side are equal, hence verified. Now come to next part, B. In B part, this is 2 upon 5 within bracket 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 7 equal 2 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 7. Again first we will take left hand side. In left hand side, 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 7, 2 upon 5. LCM of this 4 and 7, both are prime numbers. 4 and 7 are co-prime numbers. Not prime number, co-prime numbers. So their LCM is 28. 7 is prime number, 4 is even number. So their LCM will be their product. It is 4 7 ja 28. LCM is 28. Now divide this 28 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28. We get 7. Then 7 multiply this 3. Now this plus. Again divide this 28 by 7. We get 4. 7 4 ja 28. So 4 multiply this 5. Now 2 upon 5, 7 3 is 21 plus 4 5 is 20 upon 28, 2 upon 5, then 21 plus 20, 41 upon 28, 2 upon 5, multiply 41 upon 28, simplify it, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. So 1 upon 5, multiply 41 upon 14. Now 41 1 is 41, 14 5 is 70. This is left hand side. Now come to right hand side. In right hand side, 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 7. Here we can simplify in both the brackets. See, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. So this 1 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 2 plus 2 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 7. Here no simplification now possible. So multiply it, 3 1 is 3 upon 5 2 is 10 plus 2 1 is 2 upon 7 1 is 7. Again 10 and 7 both are co-prime numbers. So their LCM will be their product. 10 7 is 70. Now divide this LCM 70 by 10. 10 7 is 70. We get 7. So 7 multiply this 3 plus again divide this 70 by 7. 7 10 is 70. So 10 multiply by this 2. Now 7 3 is 21 plus 10 2 is 20 upon this 70. 21 plus 20 is equal 41 upon this 70. So in both the sides you are watching that result is 41 upon 70. In left hand side 41 upon 70 and in right hand side 41 upon 70. Both the results are equal, means left hand side is equal right hand side. It means this given question left hand side is equal right hand side. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 7 equal 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 into 5 upon 7. So it is verified because both the answer in left hand side and right hand side are same, equal. So it is verified. Now students, it's C and D part you will do self. Students, if any step is not clear to you, you can ask from me by calling or by sending a message to my WhatsApp number, same number. Okay students, I want to tell one thing, that see here, if we want to find LCM 5 and 7, both are co-prime number. 5 is not divisible by 7, neither 7 is divisible by 5. So LCM is their product. Product means 5 multiply 7. If we are finding LCM 5 on and 10, here see 10 is a multiple of 5. Multiple means 10 जो है 5 के टेबल में आता है. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10 आता है. So LCM of these two number will be larger one, that is 10. Clear? So I think up to here all the matter should be clear to you. But if you feel any difficulty, you can ask me without any hesitation. Okay students? And students, one more thing, you complete your work day by day. Do not leave any pending work, otherwise it will be difficult to complete the work for you. Okay students, and thank you. Have a nice day.